No one's to blame, no one's to fight for. No one's to fight with, no one's to take care. It's only you. Gather every piece of you have distributed. Take back all the responsibilities you've given people for holding you together. Take back before they break it. Take back before they claim you. Take back before your body gets dependent on them, and hold yourself together. Don't blame, don't shout, don't fight, don't cry, don't beg for love, for attention, for respect, for care. Time to heal every part of you that got hurt. To have mindset shift that your scars are beautiful. They are lessons learned, not moments regret. Wandered everywhere just to find that the peace I've been looking for is in me, the silence and whispers of nature. The period has arrived where we burn the camouflage and show our true self. No complaint, no regret. It's just you. It's always been just you. Realize that. No one to hurt, no one to love, living under the magic of dreams where no one's to judge. And I'm not to blame, I'm over this game.